Indian Army has deployed vehicle-mounted infantry mortar system in Sikkim, enhancing its operational capabilities in challenging high-altitude environments. This system is designed for quick deployment and precision strikes, offering a high degree of automation that reduces crew workload and improves accuracy. Chinese Navy J15 fighter jet reportedly crashed during training exercise. The cause of crash is under investigation and there have been no reports of casualties or property damage on the ground. Iveco Defence Vehicles has announced that Swedish Defence Material Administration has selected its Viking uncrewed ground vehicle for Sweden's autonomous multifunctional ground vehicle demonstrator program. The Viking UGV is equipped with MACE artificial intelligence, enhancing its logistics, reconnaissance, surveillance and combat support roles. U.S. Army has tested Ukrainian long-range Kamikaze drones used to strike Russia. U.S. Army tested unknown Ukrainian Kamikaze drones as part of Artemis project, which focuses on the development of a kamikaze attack drone.